Hey guys, it's Tony. So just looking at the PLTR really quick for some quick TA. We're looking extremely bullish. For the past 2 or 3 days, I think we had that crazy run up, but momentum is starting to weaken. The MACD is starting to weaken. If on Monday we do not break to the upside, so let's say on Monday if we do not break up towards the $15 upside, maybe $16, right at open, or if we don't close around the $15 level by the end of the day, I do think we're gonna go back and we're gonna retest the $12 level. But I really doubt that. I doubt that we're gonna go anywhere lower than 12 bucks. Momentum is just too strong for this, and then if earnings comes out really really good, then Palantir is going to start getting a bunch of price upgrades from a lot of banks, everything else, a lot of hedge funds. So I do think that if Palantir does really well for earnings, I think it's gonna keep shooting up towards the $15 level, possibly higher. Even so though, I think I forgot when the earnings is, Monday or Tuesday. I know it's next week, but yeah, I do think the lowest that we can go is $12. I don't think we're gonna go back down to 12 bucks, maybe $10, but maybe $11 actually. But I think this is gonna be the bottom. The $12 mark is gonna be the bottom for PLTR, and it's basically a moonshot from here. I don't think we're gonna drop anything lower than that. But like I said, if we don't pop Monday towards the $15 level, I do think we're going to retest that $12 level and then shoot back up because of earnings. But if earnings is bad, I still think that, the $12 level is going to happen. And if earnings is like really bad, then I think we're going to drop back down to $11. But, I don't think that's going to be the case. I do think that we're going to either pop all the way up to 15 bucks on Monday, or if we don't pop right at open, I do think we're going to retest the $12